it can be difficult. I tell you, once you get over this, once you embrace this challenge and get over it, it's going to get it's going to get better for you.
Yeah.
Okay, but this is your first time, so that's why it hit pretty hard.
Right.
uh, we all go through it, and it's
Yeah.
funny that you're going through this because one of the things that I'm going to be talking about at the conference is really the mental health of entrepreneurship.
Yeah.
That's actually what I'm going to be touching on,
Yeah.
because you can have all the knowledge in the world. You can take all the courses in the world. It don't matter.
Right.
But if you don't have your mental together,
Right.
you're not going to succeed as an entrepreneur, point blank, period. Your
Right.
mental has to be good. Being an entrepreneur is not easy. It's
No, it's
harder
not.
being an entrepreneur than it is being an employee.
Yeah.
Okay, this is
Right.
tough right
Right.
here. Nobody ever likes to talk about the anxiety that you get when you're an entrepreneur. Nobody
Yeah.
talks about the challenging moments when you're up at night stressing, all
Right.
stressed out over accounts, and people did not showing up to work, and the clients
Right.
fussing at you, and we don't talk about those issues that you have, and let alone, I didn't even talk about life yet. When
Right.
you dealing with
Exactly.
life. Now you throw life on top of all of that,
Yeah.
it's enough to make you want to back out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what you're going through, I just want you to know it is completely normal. It's normal to go through this.
Yeah.
I lose accounts. You're going to lose even more accounts. But you got to embrace those challenges, because I went through some hard challenges in my life before I even made it to entrepreneurship. And I know that God wasn't going to promote me to the next level until I was able to embrace that challenge and get through it.
Right.
So as soon as you can embrace it, and you say this is your last time crying over it, it's done, baby. It's
Right.
done. Now you
Right.
embrace it and you move on, and really take those lessons that you learned from that account, because it
Oh
taught you
yeah.
some things.
Yeah.
It taught you some things. That's what I mean by embracing it. All of my bad moments, man, we had clients just flat out not pay us.
Yeah.
We still had to pay the employees.
Employees.
That's why we always stress the importance of networking and getting. It's good that you're in the community and you're taking advantage of it,
Right.
and you're talking to other people, because this is therapy. This is what you need. You
Right.
need to hear what we're telling you. You need to be
Right.
surrounded by other women that are going through the same thing, or that
Right.
have been through what you're going through now. You know what I
Right.
mean? That's the
Right.
stuff that you need inside your head, keep constantly giving you. Okay, because you become what you consume.
Right.
Okay, so I mean, you're going to go through it. It's just know that it's completely normal. Everything that you're talking about, it's not like wow to me. You have to get through this in order to get to the next level. I'm
Right.
telling you, God is going to keep on promoting you, but you can't get to the next level if you can't get through this.
Right. If I keep sitting here and wallowing in this. Yeah.
Mhm. You're
Right.
never going to be able. So even like people think that me and Miss Tamika, we're always on the up and up. No, we
Yeah.
go through stuff
all the
the
time.
Yeah.
time. We go through stuff. I had anxiety today. All right. So maybe the CRM program is not for you right now. But guess what? It's okay. It's okay. I knew you was gonna push that button, all right? But it's all right. I got something else better for you, and it is our community. All right. So I actually have a community of like-minded entrepreneurs, over 300 people in our community, all cleaning business owners, and I go live in my community every Wednesday at 8 o'clock Eastern, okay? And I also have two of my courses inside of my community, the Move and Move Out course, as well as my Jumpstart course inside of my community, okay? And not only that, but we also do challenges and we give away prizes in our community, right? And we also have a live Q&A. So if you miss our live Q&A, we have a live Q&A library for you to go to and check out all of the lives that we've done, you know. And we built this community just to help you guys. It is not expensive at all. It is only $55 a month, okay? But this is my last offer. I'm not gonna try to pitch you nothing else, girl. I understand. If you're here for the free, you're here for the free, honey. It's all good. But I have to tell you about our community. It's called the Cleaners Club. All right, so if you want to see me, if you want to talk to me personally, I'm in my community every Wednesday night at 8 o'clock. We do a live Q&A, and you can ask me anything you want. All right, that's all I wanted to say. You want to join the community, click the link down below. If not, get your book and get on up out of here, girl. We out of here. Issue after issue after issue after issue, fire after fire that you have to put out. And I used to deal with all this stuff myself before I had Tamika here, you know, for my help. Thank God, you know, that she's here, because some of these calls and some of this stress, she alleviates it from me. But with me, I wanted to give up 150 times.
Yeah.
Okay. So I just tell that story so you can know that I had to keep on pushing, keep on pushing, keep on pushing. So now, whenever I want to let somebody go, but what we do is we think strategically. We don't think with our emotions.
Right.
Something that I had to learn along the way, because I used to always think with my emotions, and I used to be like, you're fired. No, we think strategically. We find a replacement, start training them up, you know, make her train them. Okay, but however we do it, we got to have backup after backup after backup after backup. Hey, you know why you may be struggling in your cleaning company right now? It's because you're surrounding yourself with a bunch of losers. I'm sorry, I hate to sound harsh, but it's true. You need to be surrounding yourself with high-level cleaning business owners, okay? Now, I know, you may say, well, where would I find them at? Like, where would I find multi-million-dollar cleaning business owners that I can network with, okay? Well, I may have the solution for you, because Clean Biz Network is doing it again. We have an event coming up February 28th, 2024, okay, all the way until March the 1st. All right, and this is a networking event that you will not want to miss. We have Debbie Zardon. She's going to be speaking on stage, and she always kills it, along with my boy, Mr. Marquell Russell. He is the king of client attraction. You definitely want to stay to hear everything that he has to say. We also have Mr. Eric Coffey. He's going to be hitting the stage talking about government contracts for anybody that's interested in government contracts. You can network with him. Also, we got Carolyn hitting the stage, the cleaning business mentor. We have Raylan from the Hustle Network hitting the stage, along with DJ The Boss and a host of other speakers that's going to be there for you to network with. I mean, this is a networking event, and it's going to be huge. It's going to be amazing. It's hosted all by your girl, Miss Johnson from Tenacity Academy, and it's founded by AJ Simmons, the owner of Clean Biz Network. All right, so we will all be there, and you can network with me and all of my cleaning business buddies. All right, all of your favorite influencers, I guarantee you, will be in the building for you to just sit there and network and ask them all the questions that you want to ask, get their phone numbers, and really build relationships. That's what this thing is all about. Okay, because your network is directly connected to your net worth. I'll see you guys in Vegas. Get your tickets today. Don't wait until the last minute. Don't wait until February to start booking your tickets. Get your tickets right now. I'll see you in Vegas.